Jackson.
Let's pretend, kids! Hi guys, welcome back to Let's Pretend Kids. So today we are going to make Christmas cookies. Woohoo!
I am very excited. Oh, before we do that.
Be sure to like and subscribe.
Yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. So we're going to do something pretty simple, but we're going to make a special Christmas cookie. And we just bought some store-bought Pillsbury sugar cookie in a roll. And the girls are going to help me cut it out, and then we'll bake them. And we're going to decorate them, and they're going to be Christmas themed. It's going to be great. So I'm going to slice these, girls.
Ooh, that's weird.
Big roll of dough.
It's a big tube.
It's a tube of dough.
That's
And you want to cut about 1/2 inch.
It seriously looks like when you did like the donut video.
You put it on the...
It seriously remembers me of the donut video. It's fine.
You want to space them out a little bit from the edge. There you go. You don't want them right next to the edge.
What if it gets some on my fingers?
You can eat it. Okay, put them and spread them out a little bit. Yep. Spread. Yep. Get the violet. Spread them out. Yep. So you want to give them about 2 inches apart. Is that one good on the edge? I can't see it very well.
Yeah, it is. Because if they get too close to the edge, when they become cookies, they'll become more flatter.
One mega cookie.
No, no, it's not. If they were too close, they would.
Yeah, if they were too close, they would. You're right. You give one to Violet.
But if they're close to the edge,
yeah,
they'll flatten so that. But then you will not be able to if they're too close, they'll mix as one cookie instead of 2 cookies that are apart. Because they flatten, make it like this shape.
So mysteries of the cookies.
With Violet.
Solved.
Two inches apart. Oh, the cookie's crushed. I love damn cookies. Damn cookies. They're good. They're good. They're yummy.
Okay, let's space these out a little bit more so we can get more on here, okay?
They don't have to be perfect.
Well, they don't have to be perfect. Hold on, we'll cut that one in a second.
Yeah.
I just want to space these out.
So package 2. Opening number 2, guys. It says number. I saw number 2. Sequel of opening cookie dough. I like how it says dough. Guys, do you see what's behind us?
Yep, we got our Christmas tree up.
I'm at the top of the wall. A description below tells us what movie that was from.
But, here you go.
Can't do that much because everything in front of me is just like.
There you go.
If they don't look perfect like this, the cookie dough, that's fine because
Yeah, scoot that one up a little bit. We got room for
you don't know what they'll look
more.
like when they're Did I do it?
Yeah, give it to Violet, honey.
Oh no.
That's all right. We'll have other ones to do. So we're going to bake these, and then I'm going to make some royal icing. The instructions will be on the video. And once these are done and have cooled, put some royal icing, and we'll be back for that step in the cookie making. So I used the royal icing on all the sugar cookies, and then I took some store-bought icing and piped just 2 lines, and then used M&M minis to put on the line to make it look like a Christmas lights. And then you can put them above and below the wire.
Like the black. Just pick randomly. How do I spread? I want a different color. kind of want to do pattern, but then
Yep, you can do a pattern or you can do
just random ones.
Random.
But I don't want them to be
But
too.
yeah, you don't want to put too many lights on there. You want to put just a few.
I'm gonna make like the pattern that I wanted.
Red, blue.
You could just do red and green.
How did you know I was doing orange, red, and blue? Because I saw.
I have one. Green.
Red, blue, green, yellow.
Oh, I forgot to add yellow. Put yellow here. After the blue is
Orange.
What's the yellow gonna be?
Orange. Okay, I finished one of the cookies.
Wait, finish mine.
They look, it's so beautiful. I'm liking them. I'm
Another
gonna
one.
move to the next one.
Okay, so we're all done, and the girls are going to test it out, see if they like them. Who did this one?
Me.
Can you give me your plate?
Boing, boing.
I want.
Tough decision.
Bum, bum, bum.
You want to do the one you just did?
Oh my god, look at that. My finger.
Mhm.
That is so weird.
Mm, mm,
Mm.
So is that some good sounds? I'm so glad.
I love the cream. I love the cookie. I love the M&M burger. Delicious.
Lots of love for the cookies, it sounds like.
Everything in this cookie makes me go, this is not going to be the last cookie I have. There's going to be all of them on my plate. It's so good. I want more. I'm going to have a million cookies before bed.
Well, we'll see about that. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely, it was a fun recipe, and, it's part of the holidays for us here is trying to do stuff together. Obviously, they enjoyed it, and it tastes good, too. So try it out. Let us know what your family thinks. And don't forget to check out our other channels,
Jackson to Adventure.
Jack's to Adventure
Kelly's Corner.
and Kelly's Corner. And check back with us every Sunday for more videos. Thanks for watching Let's Pretend Kids.
Bye.
Bye. See you guys next time.
Like and subscribe.
That's right.